guys, what's up? Welcome into the channel. I wanted to show you guys a little bit more about Multiseller Pro because there's a lot of things in the dashboard that we still have not hit on. So I need to get my button gear and make some videos for you guys to run through that dashboard and run through all that good stuff. So let me go ahead and share my screen and let me show you guys what I want to share with you. What I want to talk about today is going to be the local scan with Multiseller Pro, okay? So a lot of times as sellers, Walmart sellers, Amazon sellers, right, we find a product, it sells really good, we're making profit on it, and next thing you know, we sold out. Now, the biggest challenge from then is, okay, we need to restock this product, but if we go back to our supplier that we got it from previously, they can be sold out. Maybe they had a sale going on and now the product is no longer profitable, right? So now we run into the issue of, okay, now I got to source this product again. I got to find somewhere else that I can buy this product from that's going to be profitable. Or I'm just going to move on and not sell this product, wait for my supplier to restock. Hopefully they restock. Hopefully the listing is still going to be the same, right? And essentially we just kind of like sitting ducks with it. We're just moving on to the next thing. And that's really not what we want in this business, right? When we're thinking of a business, we want products that are going to sell consistently that we can restock. So Multiseller Pro addressed this issue, and what they have to address this issue is the local scan. So if you go to your dashboard and you scroll down in the bottom, you are going to see MSP local scan. Okay, this essentially is going to take all the work out for you. When you have a product that you want to restock, this is going to find a supplier for you where you can go get that product. So all you got to do is click on it. It's going to open it up here. Okay, it's going to ask you to put in an ASIN or a UPC code and then your zip code where you want to search and find that product within the United States. Okay, so all you do here is you search. Okay, you click on what store you want to find it from. Okay, right now it is searching for Target and is going to fetch this Target code, I guess you can say. All right, so here we go. Here we got this code that it has posted here for us. So what we want to do is we want to hit our copy and open Discord button. Okay, we'll see if Discord opens here. Sometimes, no, looks like it's taking me to my other Discord that I don't use anymore. So let me pull up Discord. So what we want to do is once we have that copied, we're going to come into our Multiseller Pro Discord. In our menu, we want to look for our local scan section. Okay, we're going to go to our local scan channel here. And yeah. We're going to paste in our message. Okay. Once we paste in that message, right, it's going to run, it's going to do its thing. Don't worry, it is doing something. And it says stock check completed. Check your DMs for the result. Okay, so you can come over to your direct messages. You will see a message from Multiseller Pro. You click on that and it tells you, okay, this is the product you were searching for. This is the store and this is the stock amount they have, okay, within this zip code, right? If there's multiple stores, it'll tell you multiple stores, right? So this is where you can go to create yourself, like see what stock they have, right? All right, so let's try another product. Let's show another example here. I'll put in a ASIN and we'll change up our zip code a little bit. Hit our scan button. Okay, it's doing its thing. It's connecting or fetching, you know, whatever it needs to fetch. Want to copy. We're not going to this Discord. Let me share my other Discord. Another cool thing too is after you paste into Discord and it processes it, it sends you that message within Discord saying, hey, here's the results. Then you can come back here to this page and you can load the data onto the map. So if you are planning to physically go to these stores, you can put all these stores on the map for you and then create a trip. Basically GPS a trip, and it's going to tell you like what order you need to go in, what route you need to take to hit these stores. Also, if you're thinking big, you're doing a cross-country trip, you're taking a vacation, you want to hit some stores on the way. Maybe you're driving for vacation or something, or going to a couple states over, and you want to hit some stores along the way. Then you can load them in here and it will tell you, the stock amount, the product that you're actually looking for, how much stock each store has, and then it's going to load it onto the map and create um, what am I trying to say? Directions for you to take in order to get to where you want to go and also hit the stores along the way. So that's a really, really cool feature that I haven't seen with anything else. So I know, a lot of retail arbitrage people, this is going to be extremely helpful to get those things going. All right, but I plugged everything in. I copied my little token that I need. Let's go to Discord. Okay, so we're in Discord. Let me post it in here. We're in our local scan. Okay, processing. All right, stock check completed. Check your DMs. Okay, I'm going to go over to my Multiseller Pro message here and look at this one, right? This item, literally it found all these stores, okay? And it tells me how much stock they have. So again, you can load all these stores into that map and it will create a shopping trip for you. You can choose which stores you actually want to hit, right? And it'll create that shopping trip for you. But you can see, it gives you the distance and the address and everything that you need. So you can just create a little route and you can get however many in stock. Or even just see like which ones close to you have more stock versus something else, right? So this is a really cool thing, the stock checker, this local scan, super cool for finding products and showing you exactly where they are, right? And if you go back to your Multiseller Pro, maybe you don't want to load the data in, right? You can hit the back button, scan another supplier, use the exact same ASIN, exact same UPC, exact same product, and you can scan other places. Okay, you can, I don't know, maybe check Home Depot. I don't think Home Depot has one. Um, but you can check other places to see if there's something else that might have it. Looks like there's not. It's not loading anything else in here. Just see it's fetching for Target, but it's not fetching for anything else. So it's a really, really cool feature to see where you can get those supplies and those products at for restocking instead of having to physically source products yourself and go through all that process yourself. So that's what I got for you today. And then if you wanted to maybe just exit out of here, right, go back to your MSP, hit the back button, you're right back onto your dashboard with all your other tools that you can find and keep sourcing products. So it's a short one today. I will be uploading another one on Thursday. And then next week as well, I'm going to be getting into a good routine to get some things rolling, but just a lot going on with life, trying to time manage things and figure out how to fit everything into my schedule. So be on the lookout for that. I do apologize, but be on the lookout for that. Anyways, follow, like, do your thing, hit those other videos too to watch them. But I will see you guys on the next one. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.